In this video, I'm going to show you how to add thumbnail in YouTube videos. If you upload the video here, you'll see a space to enter in your title and the description. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see a separate section where it says thumbnail. You can simply select the thumbnail by clicking on upload thumbnail. After you click on upload thumbnail, you can upload the thumbnail that you created directly from your device. Select the thumbnail and then click open. The thumbnail should not be bigger than 2 MB, so you make sure that you reduce the size before you upload it. After you upload the thumbnail, it will show in this area and also in this area. To change or remove the thumbnail, you can click on the three lines here, and there you'll see an option for change and download. So that's how you can add thumbnails to YouTube videos.